docking station. Now, there are no doubt a ton of docking stations out there available. So let's go ahead and see what you get inside the box and go over some of the specs. Okay, so it looks like you get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. And here's the dock itself. It is not big at all. It's pretty slim. It's got some nice rubber feet on the bottom here. And if we take a look at the top, here you can see you have your SD card slot and a micro USB card slot. You have a spot for a headphone jack. You have a USB Type-C 3.1. We have a USB 3.1 and a USB 3.0. So the 3.0 is capable of doing 5 gigabits per second. The 3.1 is capable of doing 10 gigabits per second. And the USB Type-C is also capable of doing the 10 gigabits per second. And if we look at the side here, we have a gigabit Ethernet port. We also have an HDMI port that's capable of doing 4K at 60 hertz. On the other side here, we have a USB Type-C for your power delivery. That's up to 100 watts. And then we also have the other Type-C slot here for connection to your tablet for maybe charging. And this is compatible with pretty much that can dissipate heat pretty well. So the way that we put our NVMe in here is you just pull out this little rubber piece. Go ahead and take your NVMe, make sure you put it in the right way. Pop that in, and then we're going to take our little rubber stopper here. There's a couple different slots on here. The very top one is the one that you're going to put in the slot of the NVMe. So we'll put that in there, and then all you're going to do is push it down into the hole, and it stays in place just like that. Then once that's in, you go ahead and take the top, and then just clip that down in place. So again, like I said, this is pretty small. I mean, there's the size of my hand. So now I just want to show you how the power delivery works through the USB Type-C PD port. I do have it connected to a wall adapter that is about 90 watts. This can handle up to 100. And as you can see, the little blue LED is lit up to let you know that it is getting power. Then all you need to do is plug in the little USB Type-C that goes into this port into your tablet or MacBook or whatever, and it will start to charge. As you can see down at the bottom here, the little battery is displaying the charge connection. So here we are at 74%, and as you can see, the little charging icon is right there. So I'm definitely pleased with what this hub can do. It definitely does what it says it can do, and it does it all in a very small form factor that's pretty light and affordable. Again, it's on Kickstarter. I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick it up yourself. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave me a question in the comments section below. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.